How to unban Omegle on a PC. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to unban Omegle on a PC. Open up the web browser. Here search Omegle. Open up its site. Click to open the terms of service of Omegle. In terms of service, scroll down to feedback. Click to open their feedback email. First, write the subject of your email. Because you're submitting feedback to unban Omegle, so your subject should be account banned. Then write your problem or query as, "Hey, kindly unban my account. I have been banned for no reason. Please help me." After that, click to send the email. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.